In this video, I'm going to show you how to do step-by-step instruction for debugging purpose. So the very first instruction is input. After that, you want to execute the line by line. So to do so, you need to first set up a breakpoint. So click the checkbox here that is a breakpoint, and then don't run it. What you need to do is choose a breakpoints and the run to breakpoint. Then at this moment it is halt by the input statement. So give some input and press enter key, then program stops at the breakpoint. At that moment you can press the step button to execute line by line. If line by line is too slow, then you can add the breakpoint at any time and then choose breakpoints, run to breakpoints. Then it runs and then stops at another breakpoint. So if I add another breakpoint, run to breakpoints, run to breakpoints, or at this moment you could do step by step. And you can clear breakpoints, then run to breakpoints, and so on. And then you can clear all breakpoints, then run to breakpoints will finish the program. So this is how to use a step-by-step execution mode in Maria Simulator.